Hello HackYourFuture family. I'm gonna try to show you how you can install mysql 8 on your Ubuntu machine. First things first, we'll open a new terminal screen. I'll paste the command here, and I'm also gonna share this command with notes with this video. Type enter. This command adds the version 8 repo on our system. Then we'll paste another command with Ctrl-Shift-V, password. In this screen, we just pass with OK. Then we'll type sudo apt-get update. Now we are ready to install mysql. Sudo apt-get install mysql-server. Yes. Here we can define a root password, or we can pass by empty. And just press enter here. We'll wait a bit while MySQL is downloading and installing. MySQL is installed. We'll start MySQL by this command, systemctl start MySQL, password. If there is nothing, this is a good sign. Then we'll type that systemctl enable MySQL, password again and again. The second command for starting MySQL automatically for each start of our computer. Now we're gonna open MySQL command prompt with this command, sudo mysql-u root p, password, which is empty for me. Now we are in MySQL command prompt. As you can see, we can copy further commands from databases week 1 repo, which is here. This one is first. Ctrl-Shift-V. And the second one is this. Ctrl-Shift-V. And the last one. We're done with MySQL command prompt. We can type exit and close the terminal. Then we'll switch to VS Code and open databases repo. As you can see, in week 1 folder there is a connection test.js file. We will right click on it and open in terminal. Here we will install first nodejs, sudo apt install nodejs, password. nodejs is installing. Then we will install npm with this command, sudo apt install npm. Yes. npm is installed. Our last command will be npm install mysql in week1 folder. This is important. MySQL node modules is installed. Then we can test our connection test.js file with this command, node connection test.js. As you can see, the solution is 2. This means MySQL is working. Thank you for watching.